Hello all, myself Della David. I am working as an assistant professor in the Department of Tripoli in Jyoti Engineering College, Cherutirthi. I am here to give a lecture on the various types of synchronous motor. In the subject EEC 308 Electric Drives, Module 6 is concentrated on synchronous motor drives. So before getting into the topic, we should be familiarized with the various types of synchronous motors. So let us see the various classification of synchronous machine. As we all know, synchronous motors are mainly used in constant speed application since the rotor of the synchronous motor will be rotated at the same speed as that of the stator magnetic field, which is called as synchronous speed. The synchronous speed is given by the expression ns is equal to 120 f, where f is the frequency of the machine and p is the number of poles. But with the development of semiconductor devices such as IGBTs and MOSFET and the power electronic circuit such as an inverter, we can use synchronous motors in application. The various types of synchronous motors are wound field, permanent magnet, synchronous reluctance, and hysteresis motors. For all these machines, the stator is a three-phase wound stator, which means stator is having stator slots in which three-phase AC windings are there, and we are supplying the stator windings with a balanced three-phase supply. Let us see what is a wound field synchronous machine is. The rotor of a wound field synchronous machine is having DC field winding which is supplied from DC source through slip rings. The wound field machine can be classified into cylindrical rotor and salient pole rotor. In cylindrical rotor, the rotor is of a cylindrical structure, there is no projected pole, and the rotor will be possessing high mechanical strength. Therefore, it can be used for high-speed application. Whereas in a salient pole rotor, the rotor is projected type, and due to the centrifugal force, it can be used only for low-speed application. But one advantage is that it is having a low cost. Now let us see what is permanent magnet synchronous motor. In permanent magnet synchronous motor, the rotor will be having permanent magnets instead of a DC field winding. So the DC field is produced by permanent magnets. Therefore, we can get rid of DC source, field windings, brushes, and slip rings. The permanent magnets can be of ferrite magnets, or if we don't have a compromise on cost, we can go for rare earth magnets also. Permanent magnet synchronous machine motor can be classified again into surface mounted type and interior buried type. In surface mounted type, the permanent magnets will be attached to the rotor surface, whereas in interior buried type, there will be grooves in the rotor core so that the permanent magnets will be buried in these grooves. So this figure shows the surface mounted type permanent magnet synchronous motor. The surface mounted type is again classified into projecting type and inset type. The figure shows the projecting type permanent magnet synchronous motor. So it is clear that the permanent magnets, these are the permanent magnets, and these permanent magnets are attached to the exterior periphery of the rotor. Normally epoxy glue is used for this. Next one is the inset type. In inset type also, the permanent magnets are attached to the rotor surface but to the interior periphery. In both these kinds, that is, the projected poles and inset type, the permanent magnets are attached to the rotor surface. And due to this, these kind of machines are not suited for high-speed application. This figure shows the interior buried type rotor. In interior buried type, there is no direct contact between the rotor periphery and the permanent magnets. The permanent magnets will be embedded in the rotor core. So these two are different versions of interior buried type. Now let us see what a synchronous reluctance motor is. In a synchronous reluctance motor, the rotor is of salient pole type, but there is no field winding or permanent magnet. Then how this machine is working? We all know that in a salient pole machine, the torque developed are of two types, that is the excitation torque and the reluctance torque. Since the field winding is absent and also the permanent magnet is absent, there will not be excitation torque. Then how come the motor is driven? The motor is driven by a reluctance torque which is produced due to the tendency of salient poles to align themselves with the synchronously rotating field produced by the stator. So this is the peculiarity of synchronous reluctance motor. Now let us see a few features of synchronous machine, how it is superior over the induction motors. Both wound field and permanent magnet motors have higher full load efficiency and power factor when compared to an induction motor. Also, both of them are having higher power rating than induction motors. In synchronous machines, a larger air gap can be chosen. Also, we know that by controlling the excitation, the power factor can be controlled at higher power levels. Since the losses are very much reduced and the efficiency is high, the power density is also increased, and in addition, the torque to inertia ratio is also increased. So these are the few features of synchronous machines. With this, I'm winding up. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.